Now, the Moonveil Testnet has been out for a while. I made a video about it, talking to you guys about how to sign up and get started with the Moonveil Testnet. Now, I'm going to just show you guys how to onboard, complete some tasks, and how to keep earning your points. So now let's get right into it. Now, of course, as you guys can see my screen, this is the Moonveil dashboard. Now, of course, sometimes it might look very hectic or crazy, but I'm just going to show you guys everything slow and steady. Now, this is the first dashboard. We can first go all the way to home over here, and then you can see rock it to the moon. So this is basically just an advertisement of what the Moonveil Testnet is all about. Own your destiny with game excellence. Ashtrack is one of the games that they are mediating as well. But then, what concerns us as testnetters or airdrop hunters is the loyalty program. And when we come all the way to loyalty program, we'll click on the My Season Pass. And then we can either click on task or scroll up a little bit, or we click this explore now. And you guys can see the level I'm currently in. I'm on the level 4. And I have the standard pass, not the premium pass. So it's a whole lot different in this case. People can get the premium pass and you're going to, upgrade faster, get much more rewards. But currently I have the standard pass. Now, there are many ways for you to get the premium pass. Either you buy an NFT from, let's just do it right now. So of course, as you guys can see, it says upgrade to the premium pass. And then a Tetra holder are eligible to claim the premium pass. Now let's click on get Tetra now. It takes us to another screen. It takes us all the way to OpenSea. OpenSea is of course a very popular NFT marketplace. And you can see Moonveil Level 1 Destiny Tetra. And you guys can see the price, 0.1 Ethereum. That's over 200 and something dollars, 200 and something dollars. Okay, that is the floor price. That is the lowest price. It's trading, of course, for much more expensive from other people, as I say, 0.2. So you either have to buy this one to get the premium pass, or you could just keep grinding, keep getting points. And the more points you have, I'm going to go back all the way to explore now once again. The more points you have and the more levels you can attain, you can also unlock the premium pass. So for example, as you guys can see, it says badge. Either you unlock it as a Tetra holder or you unlock it with your badges. Users holding selected high-level badges can also claim the premium pass. So the more tasks you complete, the more points you get, the more Moonbeam points you get, the more chances you have at getting the premium pass. Okay, that is the first thing I wanted to show you guys. Now we're just going to go all the way to tasks. Now in task, we have loads of things that we can do to earn Moonbeam points. You guys can see I'm currently on level 3, going to level 4. We have regular tasks over here. We have events. We have Ashtrack, Puffy Mini, and ICN. Now, of course, ICN is the latest one. So I think you guys need to go right away, complete all of this task, and earn some Moonbeam points. Now, once you complete all of these, you go all the way to level 2. And you finish also the last one here. They are very easy. Most of them just follow on Twitter, follow, share, like, and do all of those things. Nothing extra at all. But now we're going to go all the way back to events, and you guys can see Novice Notch. Now you have to click also into that. Now, this is the first NFT that you have to claim. Very important. And what are the tasks? Very easy tasks. Connect your wallet, which is done. Complete Moonveil community survey. Abstract pre-register. Bushwhack pre-register. Connect Twitter. Connect your easy tasks. Okay? And once you're done with this, you get all the rewards, but then you have to mint this Novice Notch. Well, I'm going to show you guys very soon where to mint it. Let's just go all the way back to tasks and regular tasks. As you guys can see, we have joint community tasks. I've completed 11 out of 12. Community engagement, 4 out of 6. Referral programs, 4 out of 8. More tasks, there are currently no more tasks. Digital assets verification, 1 out of 3. So these are tasks that you guys have to complete so that you can have much more Moonbeam points and rack up the levels. Okay, so that I've explained a couple of things right now that are very crucial that must be done. Now, the next thing I want to show you guys is finally the dashboard over here. So you guys can see when I go top, let's say left corner, we have our case. This is my connected wallet. It's a MetaMask wallet, EVM supported. You have user center, my badges. So let's go first of all to user center. Now you guys can see I have currently 2,880 Moonbeams points. And then next in my badges, I have 7 of them. So we're going to click more badges. Now you can see different badges. You always have to claim it manually. So I just claimed another one. It says I have claimed the badge and I've received 200 Moonbeam points. Very important. Now the one thing I want to show you guys is over here, which is the SBT. It is the novice notch. For this one, once you finish all the tasks and you claim it, you have to mint this. And to mint this, you need a Polygon into your MetaMask wallet, okay? So for example, we're going to come all the way to MetaMask here. And you guys can see I'm already connected to the Polygon mainnet. So all you need to do is copy. Let's go to tokens. Where is Polygon? It's over here. So we click Polygon and we copy the address, which is still our normal address. And then we credit it with Polygon. So you need only possibly 0. As you guys can see, let's check the history over here. We bridged, we did contract interaction over here. I think this was actually, where could we find it? But it wasn't expensive at all. You need nothing more than 2 Polygon to complete this task, okay? Just to claim and mint your novice notch badge. So that is currently the only one you have to mint. As you guys can see, it says SBT. It is special than the other ones. Now, if you guys look at all of these badges over here, there's some of these badges. This is one of the ones you're going to get that will give you the premium pass. Now, having said that about the loyalty program, next thing is the Faucet. We have the more Faucet. Now, every 24 hours, you can request 0.1 more. So let's go to request. You guys can see it says I've exceeded the limit. Wait 8 hours before I try again. So I did that around what? How many hours? 14 hours ago. Or sorry, 16 hours ago. So I have currently 8 hours left before I can request more Faucet. Now the link to claim the Faucet will be in the description below, and also the link to join the loyalty program will also be in the description below. Now the last thing I'm going to share about the Moonveil project is the Discord channel. Never miss the Discord channel. Always come in here, you get updated announcements. Of course, as you guys can see, the latest one is Moonveil is ICN Time Unlimited collab event is now live, which means you can go there all the way to loyalty program, my season pass, tasks, and then it's loading. And then we go all the way. As you guys can see, we have community engagement, we have new tasks, but where are we going to? We're coming all the way here, ICN. And then you complete all of the tasks that you can complete. So guys, that is it. Very short, precise, and straight in point about the Moonveil project. Do all of those tasks, guys. Complete everything. Do the tasks. Connect your wallet. This will be very huge in the Web3 space. Have a wonderful day. If you have any questions, make sure you do not hesitate to ask me. I will wait to reply right away. So have a wonderful day. See you in the next one. Peace.